I've got 2/5 of the passengers British and 30% of British passengers as men. So actually, this is a proportion of a proportion. And I've got the total number of British men on the plane. So if I work out what 2/5 of 30% is, then that will tell me the proportion that are British men, and I can relate that to the 36. So let's give that a go. How are we going to do that? Well, I can find 2/5 of 30 because 1/5 of 30, or I could write it as 2 times 1/5 times 30%. That's the same as 2/5. And then that's going to, basically I'm finding 1/5 of 30%, which is going to be 6%, because 30 divided by 5 is 6. And then I can double it to get my 2/5, and that's going to, I should probably have some equals here, and that's going to give me 12%. So what next? 36 is 12%. Essentially 12% of the total amount, but I'm not writing that full sentence. I want to get up to 100%. So there's two ways you could do this. You could do 36 divided by 12%, or 36 divided by 0.12. And then you could times top and bottom by 100. So it's 3,600 divided by 12. That's a classic way of sort of dividing by decimals, make it so it's not a decimal. And then we can see that 36 divided by 12 is, I can do sort of a short division, maybe I should do this in full. So 12 into 36 go 3, so it's going to be 300. Okay, that's one approach. The other approach is to work out what 1% is. So I can, if I want to work out 1%, I can divide 3 by 12, and that's going to give me 3. And then I can times through by 100 to get 100%, and that will also give me 300. I kind of think that this is a bit easier actually, but the decimal approach works fine as well.